The glasses on your face probably cost a few dollars to manufacture. Plastic, stamped out by the thousands, all identical. But there's another kind of eyewear, made from a rare natural material, crafted almost entirely by hand, where a single frame can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Inside specialized workshops, raw animal horn, a material most people would throw away, is transformed into some of the most exclusive eyewear in the world. So why would anyone pay a fortune for glasses made of horn when plastic ones cost almost nothing? The answer reveals a hidden truth about what we're really paying for when we buy anything luxury. Stay with me. Let's start with the obvious question. What's wrong with plastic? Nothing, really. Plastic is cheap, light, and easy to mass produce. That's exactly the point. A plastic frame is made by the millions, each one identical to the last, stamped out by machines in seconds. And that's precisely why it's cheap. There's no rarity, no craftsmanship, no story. It's a commodity. Horn eyewear is the complete opposite in every single way, and understanding that difference is the key to understanding luxury itself. The first difference is the material. Horn is natural, and that means every piece is unique. When horn is polished, it reveals swirling patterns of amber, honey, black, and cream, colors that no factory can perfectly replicate because they were formed by nature. No two horn frames are ever exactly the same. When you wear one, you're wearing something genuinely one of a kind, and in luxury, uniqueness is everything. But there's another surprising advantage. Horn is warm to the touch, lightweight, and sits comfortably against the skin. Many people who wear it say it feels alive in a way that cold, hard plastic never does. But that natural material comes with a serious challenge, and this is the second reason for the price. Horn is difficult and unpredictable to work with. Unlike plastic, you can't just pour it into a mold. Each piece varies in thickness, color, and strength. It has to be read, understood, and shaped by a skilled craftsman who knows how the material behaves, and almost every step is done by hand. This is where the real cost lives, not in the horn itself, but in the hours of expert human labor poured into every single frame. The journey begins, as always, with selection. The raw horns arrive rough and unrefined, and workers sort through them carefully, choosing only pieces with the right thickness, color, and quality for eyewear. Frames demand some of the finest material, because any hidden flaw could cause the delicate frame to crack later. So the best horn is set aside for this purpose, and the rest goes to sturdier products. Once again, before anything is even made, sorting quietly decides the value. Next comes softening and flattening. Horn becomes workable when heated, so craftsmen apply careful heat until the curved, hollow horn can be pressed flat into a usable sheet. This takes real experience. The material has to reach exactly the right temperature, worked at exactly the right moment. Too little heat, and it won't bend. Too much, and it's destroyed. There's no undo button. A ruined piece of premium horn is simply money lost. Then the frame shape is cut from the flattened horn. And here's a detail that adds enormous cost. Because the frame has to be cut from a specific area of the horn to get the right color and strength, a huge amount of material is wasted. A large horn might produce only a few good frames. The rest is offcuts and scrap. You're paying not just for the frame you hold, but for all the material that had to be sacrificed to create it. This is one of the invisible reasons luxury goods cost what they do. Now comes the most demanding part: shaping and refining the frame by hand. The rough-cut frame is slowly filed, ground, and shaped into its final form. Every curve, every angle, the bridge for the nose, the arms for the ears, all carefully worked by skilled hands. This is painstaking, patient labor. A single frame can take hours of careful work, and there's no rushing it. One mistake at this stage ruins hours of effort and a valuable piece of material. Finally comes the polishing, and this is where the transformation is completed. The frame is polished in stages, each finer than the last, until that dull, rough horn becomes a glassy, gleaming object full of depth and color. The swirling natural patterns emerge in full beauty. Then the lenses are fitted, the hinges attached, and the frame is inspected with extreme care. Only the flawless ones make it to sale. At this level, Near perfection is the minimum standard, so let's add it all up, because now the price finally makes sense. A rare natural material, unique in every piece, enormous waste in production, hours of skilled handwork on every single frame, strict quality control that rejects anything imperfect, and the powerful pull of exclusivity, owning something almost no one else has. Combine all of that, and a pair of glasses becomes a luxury object worth hundreds or thousands of dollars, while a mass-produced plastic frame stays cheap forever. The difference was never really about eyewear. It was about everything hidden behind it. And this is the deeper lesson, the one that applies far beyond glasses. In the luxury world, you are almost never just paying for the object. You're paying for rarity, for craftsmanship, for the hours of human skill, for the waste, and for the story of owning something unique. The raw material is often the smallest part of the price. Understand this, and you understand how the entire world of luxury really works. From eyewear to watches to gold and diamonds. Real value lives in the transformation, not just the material. If you found this fascinating, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you want to understand how value, money, and luxury truly work, beneath the surface and beyond the marketing, I've put together a clear and simple guide, linked in the description below. Subscribe to Bullion Lab, where we take you inside how the most valuable things on earth are made, transformed, and sold. Because once you see how luxury is really created, you'll never look at a price tag the same way again.